Hi, fellow Busconians. This is Ranan Esculin from Las Vegas, Nevada. First of all, I want to wish you Merry Christmas. Today happens to be December 25 here in Las Vegas. And most of all, hoping you best wishes and hopefully you have a successful homecoming on January 2015. I wish I was there, but maybe next time. So, see you. Again, this is Ranan. Bye.
Hi, first of all, I'd like to greet our fellow Bosconians on our actually Ruby anniversary for the crossover 75 Don Bosco Mandaluyong. I'm very glad, and I would say that it's very inspiring what George had initiated, and I have seen that a lot of our fellow classmates they helped out in making this thing happen. Like Nap Manalo, I saw that he was helping out, and many other friends. So anyways, I wish you guys enjoy your party, all the luck in this world. To our less fortunate classmates, I hope things would become better for you guys. But I have seen many of our classmates they're actually successful. I always see Tony Sunga on Facebook. I think he's doing very, very well. George seems to be very happy with his family. Say hi to Ellen. And I was also sad to watch the video that George prepared for our friends who had passed away. I'm sorry to see that happen, but I was also glad to know that George was able to research this and put these things together. Like June Garcia is one of my very good friends back in high school. I didn't even know that he passed. And also Jose Feliciano, Walter Feliciano, Wally. We call him Wally or Rolly. I didn't know that he passed. Milo Basilio was here last I think last November last year. Milo Basilio, we reunited after 30 years that I haven't seen him. He was my best friend for 4 years, and we were even talking about Wally Feliciano, and we didn't even know that he passed. So I'm sorry to hear that, but yeah, I wish you guys all the luck in this world, and props to you, George and Nap, for putting this all together. And I sent a little something to the fund, and hopefully we could continue this on. I would like to see George to be more successful in the way he has done for this group. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy your anniversary party, and you can watch me if you want to more about me in YouTube under Noel Dizon. That's my channel. I've got probably about 12 or 14 videos there, and the icon on that on my name would be a black Nissan Skyline. That would be my channel. And also you can follow me on Facebook. Please like my page. That is Auto, AUTO, Mod, MOD. That's one word, Racing. That is my Facebook page. And you can visit my website at www.automodracing.com. Okay, good luck to you guys, and thank you.
May it be an evening star shines down upon you. May it be when darkness falls, your heart will be true. You walk a lonely road, oh how far you are from May it be the shadows call will fly away. May it be you journey on to light the day. When the night is over, you may rise to find the sun. Morning air, believe and you will find your
ako'y nag-iisa. At walang kasama. Di ko makita ang ating pag-asa. Ang upang tayo'y magsama-sama sa langit ng pag-asa. Ako'y may kaibigan at siya'y nahihirapan. Handa na ba kayo lahat upang siya'y tulungan? Ang himig natin, ang inyong awitin, upang tayo'y magsama-sama sa langit ng pag-asa. Ang himig natin, inyong awitin, ang himig natin, inyong awitin, ang himig natin, inyong awitin, ang himig natin, inyong awitin.
Life, so they say, is but a game and they let it slip away. Love, like the autumn sun, should be dying, but it's only just begun. Like the twilight in the road up ahead, they don't see just where we're going. And all the secrets in the So they say, for the fools, and they let them drift away. Peace, like the silent dove, should be flying, but it's only just begun. Like Columbus in the olden days, we must gather all our courage, sail our ships out on the open sea, cast away our fears, and all the years will come and go, take us up, always up. We may never pass this way again. We may never pass this way again. We may never pass this way again. So I wanna laugh while the laughing is easy. I wanna cry if it makes it worthwhile. I may never pass this way again. That's why I want it with you. 'Cause you make me feel like I'm more than a friend, like I'm the journey and you're the journey's end. I may never pass this way again. That's why I want it with you, baby. We may never pass this way again. We may never pass this way again. We may never pass this way again. We may never pass this way again.
Kumusta mga kaibigan? Okay ba kayo diyan? Tagal nang hindi pagkikita, sa inyo kami nasasabik na. Sarap ng ating pagsasama, kami po'y nag-aalala. Baka kami nalimutan na, ay naku, wag po sana. Kaya kami narito sa piling nyo, upang bawasan ang problema ng ulo nyo. Sa himig ng rock and roll, sama-sama tayo, maghawak-hawak ng kamay at lilipad tayo. sa piling nyo upang bawasan ang problema ng ulo nyo. Sa himig ng rock and roll, sama-sama tayo hawak ng kamay at lilipad tayo. Kumusta mga kaibigan? Okay ba kayo diyan? Puso naming maligaya pagka kayo ay masaya. Kumusta mga kaibigan? Okay ba kayo diyan? Kumusta mga kaibigan? Okay ba kayo riyan?
Dead na dead talaga ako sa mga pakembot-kembot mo. Kapag ikaw ay ngumingiti, ako'y medyo nakikiliti. Kailangan ko ang iyong labi, kailangan ko ang iyong pisngi. Kailan kaya kita maiuuwi? Sige na, sige na. Sige na, sige na. Noon pa man ikaw na talaga pangarap ko sa tuwi-tuwi na. Kailan kaya kita mai-score? Kailan kaya kita maa-arbor? Kailangan ko ang iyong labi, kailangan ko ang iyong pisngi. Kailan kaya kita maiuuwi? Sige na, sige na. Sige na, sige na. Pahipo naman, pahawak naman, nang di na kita matsansingan. Pag lumakad ka, ika'y nakakatukso, nakakabaliw ang bewang mo. Ako'y nadyadyahin lumapit sa'yo, masyadong class ang mga forma mo. Kailangan ko ang iyong labi, kailangan ko ang iyong pisngi. Kailan kaya kita maiuuwi? Sige na, sige na. Sige na, sige na. Pahipo naman, pahawak naman, nang di na kita matsansingan. Kailangan ko ang iyong labi, kailangan ko ang iyong pisngi. Kailan kaya kita maiuuwi? Sige na, sige na. Sige na, sige na. Kailangan ko ang iyong labi, kailangan ko ang iyong pisngi. Kailan kaya kita maiuuwi? Sige na, sige na.
Beep, 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 beep. Sabi ng bear ng jeep. Beep, 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 beep. Sabi kayo't mga kayo'y maipit. Sakay na kayo kahit hanggang kanto. Ang buhay ng tsuper ay ikaw ang biro. Hey! Beep, 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 beep. Dadalhin ko kayo kahit saan. Beep, 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 beep. Dalian nyo, hindi pa ako nananghalian. Akay na kayo kahit hanggang kanto. Ang buhay ng tsuper ay ikaw ang